So a couple of weeks ago, when we did the shopping for Black Friday, a lot of you were asking how did we actually manage to pay $20,000 all the shopping that we did in one day. So in this video, I'm going to answer all of those questions. But before that, I have to go to the mall and buy a new iPhone, the new iPhone 12, and we'll do the unboxing of the new iPhone in this video as well. So we'll quickly go to the mall, get the new iPhone, and then start the talking. Wow, I'm so excited. Finally, I have the new iPhone 12 with me. Okay, I'll do the unboxing, but before that, let me answer a very curious question. So when I uploaded the video for the Black Friday shopping, we did the shopping for $20,000 in one day. It was really a big amount. So some of you asked me, what do I actually do? Have I got all of this from the YouTube money? So certainly not. I do a normal IT job, and $20,000 is still a really big amount for me as well. Basically, here what we do is that if you buy furniture, you can buy now and pay later, or you can buy now and pay in installments without any interest. So I actually chose the second option, and I'll be paying $12,000 out of those $20,000 in 1 year time, so $1,000 every month. So does it make sense now? That trick actually got me some bandwidth to buy this iPhone. And why I got this iPhone 12? Because I was using the iPhone 11 since last 1 year, and my camera got broken a few months ago. That's the main camera, so it was very difficult for me to shoot videos and all. So that's why I thought, why not I should get a new iPhone instead of paying $400 to $500 just to replace the camera. So I have got this iPhone 12 finally, and hopefully it would be pretty easy for me going forward. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly start the unboxing of the iPhone 12. Okay, so finally we have the iPhone 12 here. This is such a sleek looking box that they've provided this time. They've mentioned here this is a 128 GB variant of the blue iPhone 12. And apart from that, they have also mentioned whatever is included in the box. We can directly check it out instead of reading. Oh wow, I am already in love with this color. Last year I couldn't get the green one, but this time finally I've got my favorite color. So this is quite different. We'll check the phone, but before that, let's see what's there in the box. So they've got the charging cable. Mind it, this time they've provided the lightning to USB-C type charging cable. Until last year, they used to provide the lightning to USB-A type cable, and I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this brick as well, which they haven't provided this time. So basically Apple now wants us to pay for this brick as well, but instead of paying this to Apple, I got a charger from Anker. This is the new iPhone charging essentials from Anker. They've mentioned here, if you're sick of slow charging, get ready for mind-blowing speed. Inside this box, we've got a 20-watt charger instead of this 5-watt brick that we can get from Apple. So we will also unbox this, but let's see what's there in this box before that. So we have got this cable, and then apart from that, we have got this SIM ejection tool and the sticker and some manuals as well. Okay, we will see how does the charging brick from Anker performs, but before that, let's unwrap this new iPhone. Okay, so let's boot this phone, and while this phone is starting, we can also check how does this phone actually look from the sides and from the back. So from the sides, it's actually different from the iPhone 11, because in iPhone 11 we used to see this round shape, but this time we are back to the iPhone 7 looking iPhone 12. Yes, this actually looks very similar to the shape of the iPhone 7. I remember that because I have used this. I've used the iPhone 7 for a very long time. And from the back, it has got the two cameras this is an iPhone 12, not an iPhone 12 Pro, so it has got two cameras and it seems like a glass back this time. So while this iPhone gets started, I have to set it up and also unbox things from my Anker fast charging essentials box. Okay, so this was the charger I was talking about, the charging brick from Anker. Anker is a trusted brand and I have been using their products since few years now. And you can also see that this is the USB-C type port that they've provided here, which is compatible with the cable provided with the iPhone 12. In comparison, this is very similar in shape and size with the 5-watt charger that I got with the iPhone 11 with the USB-A input. But this is a much more powerful because this is a 20-watt charger and this is just 5 watt. So this charger would actually charge the iPhone in very less time. They claim that this would charge the iPhone 3 times faster. Charging for 30 minutes with Anker Nano would charge the iPhone 53%, while with the original 5-watt charger it would just be 17%. Well, alright, so finally I have the new iPhone set up totally. I love the color actually. Let me know if you guys like this color or not. And its screen is actually different from the 11 one. I'm going to explore and compare the two phones and enjoy my evening playing with this new tool. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any comments, any queries, please put it down in the comment section below. And yes, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button because I keep bringing interesting videos like these every now and then. Thanks again for watching this video.